Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You must be aware of so far that Chandrapur is going to be the new destination for dumping ground where waste from the city are being dumped. So we have all come together on the road to participate in the protest against it. So guys, behind me you can see that so many people have come different places to participate in this protest. So guys, stay tuned to the video. So guys, now we are going to the place of dumping ground. The protester will go up to Pochim Mayang, so we will not go there. So we will go to the place where the waste is being dumped. So let's go there. Guys, just have a look at the condition of the road. They are very bad, they are very pathetic. So my friend told me that this is the shortcut way to go there. So we listened to him, but I think we have made a very big mistake. We shouldn't have listened to him. But guys, we have come so far that we cannot even go back if we want. So we have to go forward. We don't have any other way. So anyways, see in which condition we find there. Guys, we think we are about to reach our destination because we can sense the smell of the garbage. So it should be nearby. So guys, this is the place where the garbages are being dumped. See, there are a lot of garbages which are already being dumped. It will definitely affect the natural beauty of this place, and people will not be able to pass by this road because of this smell, bad smell. This place is basically known for its greenery and the beautiful sceneries. So if these things happens, then nobody would like to come here. Anyways guys, now we need to move from here. We have spent a lot of time here. What else we can do? We did whatever you could. If it was up to us, then we will definitely not want this thing happens. Anyways guys, for the last time before everything gets polluted, let's show you the place around. Guys, this place remains cool even in summer season also, because of the trees on the both side keeps the place very cool. That's why we'll have to come here. So guys, if we keep going straight by this road, we will find Kolong River. So let's go there. Guys, the roads are very narrow here because people do not come very much here. So you have to be very careful while driving or riding your scooty. So you have to be very cautious. So guys, now we are going by the side of Kolong River. As you can see that people come here to relax. So we will also stop our scooty and take rest for some time. Guys, the scenery of the place is very pleasant, isn't it? So as you can see that the water level has risen up. It's obvious thing in monsoon, water level rises up. Guys, I have been so thirsty and exhausted. I feel like taking bath in this cool water of the river. But guys, unfortunately there is no such facility to go down, even to touch the water. So we were waiting for our friend to come. So here he is. So now we will move to our home. So guys, I think we have taken a plenty of rest. So it's time to go back home. Still they don't want to go. It's been more than half an hour since we are here. So somehow I convinced them to go. I don't know, the next time if we come we will find still the same, or everything will be covered by garbage. So for the last time we are capturing the beauty of this place and leaving this place with heavy heart. So I still hope that government of Assam still look into the matter once and find some other alternative and spare this place as soon as possible. So guys, one additional information I would like to share with you. There used to be so many companies before. As you can see that there are so many buildings behind me. Those are very old. So everything has shifted to somewhere else. That is it all for today guys. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. See you in another video.